If you love the Watersound Beach community and love exploring luxury real estate properties, then today's video is going to be one you enjoy. Come join me for a tour of 114 Coopersmith here in Watersound Beach. From top to bottom, this home is loaded with luxury finishes and furnishings, as well as a rooftop tower giving you amazing views of the Gulf of Mexico for those stunning 30A sunsets. Hi, my name is Andy Beal with Real Broker, and I'm here to help you pursue your goals and dreams of buying or selling real estate here along 30A. Come and join me as we take a look at this incredible property. 114 Coopersmith Lane is a masterfully crafted, newly constructed beach home tucked inside the exclusive gates of Watersound Beach. Spanning 4,501 square feet, this coastal retreat features a 5-bedroom, 5.5-bath primary home, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath carriage house over a 2-car garage, a Gulf view tower, and a private pool. Every inch of this property was designed to blend casual elegance with refined craftsmanship, offering a rare combination of privacy, comfort, and elevated living. Step inside and you're immediately greeted by refined details. Wide plank white oak floors, soft lighting, and custom millwork throughout. The attention to detail in this property is second to none. Just off the entry is a spacious junior suite with its own luxurious ensuite bathroom, ideal for guests or multi-generational living. A thoughtfully placed half bath adds function and convenience right off the foyer, and the finishes in this half bathroom are truly beautiful. The heart of the home is an open concept kitchen, dining, and living space, wrapped in soft Venetian plaster walls that add subtle texture and timeless appeal. Coffered and beamed ceilings above, and sleek designer finishes at every turn. Tucked just off the main living area is an entertainer's dream, a full wet bar with sink, ice maker, and a wine fridge large enough to handle every vintage you love. In the kitchen, no detail was overlooked. Premium Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and a large center island inviting gatherings and gourmet meals alike. Even off camera, the functionality continues with a spacious sand room and secondary laundry on this level, perfect for beach living. Oversized sliding doors open seamlessly onto a covered back porch, wired for a TV and designed for year-round outdoor dining with a built-in grill and generous seating area. Step down to your private outdoor retreat, complete with a sun shelf pool, water feature, outdoor fireplace, enclosed shower, and its own dedicated powder bath. Everything here was designed for comfort, relaxation, and effortless entertaining. Above it all, you'll notice a private balcony off the primary suite, offering stunning views of Deer Lake State Park, land that will never be developed, ensuring lasting privacy and connection to nature. This home also offers an elevator servicing the first through third floors of the property. On the second floor, you'll find a second guest suite, spacious and serene with a spa-like bathroom, custom tile work, and ample closet space. Just down the hall is also another guest suite offering comfort and privacy, complete with its own ensuite bath. This bedroom actually has my favorite ceiling design as well as light fixture. Even the laundry room is a standout, with built-in cabinetry, a deep sink, and enough room to make this space feel just as elevated as the rest of the home. Now the showstopper, the primary owner's suite. With Venetian plaster walls and ceiling, intricate wood details, and a private balcony overlooking the pool and state park, this is a true sanctuary. As I mentioned before, the views off this second floor balcony are so peaceful. Just imagine waking up every morning with a cup of coffee, sitting out on this balcony, looking out over your private backyard with this amazing pool space and that beautiful state park boundary behind you that's going to stay evergreen. Inside this owner's ensuite bath, you'll find dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a large walk-in shower, all finished with natural stone and elegant fixtures. I love the champagne gold fixtures throughout this home. Before heading upstairs to the third floor, step out onto the front balcony, another peaceful place to take in the quiet beauty of Watersound Beach. And even as we head up to the third floor, I wanted to pause and show just these gorgeous big windows in the stairwell. The third floor is made for fun. A casual living area features a built-in bar with ice maker and fridge, ideal for movie nights, game days, or just a quiet escape. A spacious bunk room with double built-ins and its own full bath makes this level perfect for kids and guests alike. And finally, the crown jewel, the fourth floor Gulf View Tower. With both covered and open air spaces, this is the ultimate place to catch those 30A sunsets with views of the Gulf of Mexico and the surrounding community. Whether you're catching sunrise with coffee or winding down with a drink, this space is unforgettable. It's really hard to beat a view like this. To complete the tour, we head back to the ground level to explore the Carriage House, featuring a cozy living space, full kitchen, spacious bedroom and bathroom with dual vanities. A Juliet balcony overlooks the peaceful treetops of Deer Lake State Park. This separate space is perfect for extended family, guests, or even rental potential, with privacy and flexibility built right in. As you can tell, 114 Coopersmith here in Watersound Beach is one of the most luxurious homes that I have ever toured. If you'd like more information about this property, including the complete listing, including all the photos and information about the home, you can find the link in my description below where you can check it out. And if you're dreaming of one day owning a 30A beach home, you can find all of my contact information below. I would love to serve as your guide and advisor to help those dreams become a reality. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this stunning property. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can be made aware every time content like this hits my channel. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this property. And until next time, make it a great day on 30A.